Welcome to the new series that is Basics of Interpretation of Statutes. In this video, we will talk about the word interpretation, the meaning of the word statute, and why we need to interpret laws. Now, the word interpretation means to interpret or to find out the meaning of any word, term, or expression used. Now, the second term is statutes. This term is of English origin. The word statute means law. So, interpretation of statutes help us to find out the meaning or the intention of any law or a provision of law. Now, the question arises why we need to interpret law when the legislature has already framed the law. Now, the first reason is that the laws are made by the legislature, whereas the laws are interpreted and applied by the judiciary while administrating justice. Therefore, it is not feasible for the lawmakers to come to the court every time to explain their intention or why they have used any particular expression or word. Therefore, interpretation is important. Secondly, in English, there are certain words which have more than one meaning. For example, if I say I saw a bat, now here the word bat is in question, whether I mean a cricket bat or an animal. The third reason is that sometimes the legislature used words to express any category. For example, if the legislature says that vehicles are not allowed in the park, now here the word vehicle is used to express a category. But the question arises, what all will come under this? Whether bicycles and trams are also covered under the term vehicle and they are also prohibited in the park. So, this is the reason that we need interpretation to know the exact meaning what all covers under the term vehicle. The fourth reason is that it is not possible for the legislature to prescribe everything with precision or clarity. Therefore, the legislature uses the general terms like others, another, etc. Now, in such cases also, the question arises what all will fall under these general terms. For example, under section 187 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita, the expression used is to commit mischief, criminal trespass, or any other offense. Now, here the question arises what does the other offenses mean? Whether it includes only the similar offenses like mischief and criminal trespass, or it talks about all other offenses. So it is a question of interpretation. Now, fifthly, the question of interpretation arises because the law is not stagnant. It evolves over a period of time. So the expressions used in the past have different meaning in the present time. For example, the word document is defined under the Indian Evidence Act 1872. Now, at that time, electronic communication was not in use. But over a period of time, the use of electronic communication has increased, and therefore, the word document is now expanded to even include electronic record within its ambit. So, therefore, interpretation is necessary to make the law dynamic and to find out the right intention of the legislature so that it can be applied in a right manner. I hope you like the video, and for more such videos, please like, share and subscribe.